Product type, cable. Cabling components designed and tested to support existing CAT6 structured cabling infrastructure. Improved transmission performance, superior immunity from external noise, fewer retransmission, and fewer lost packets. Top reviews from the United States. A steal deal. I have two Macs and I wanted to connect them together using patch cord so that I could transfer files at get-up at speed and at the same time utilize full resolution and color announcements while working on screen sharing. I was contemplating between the Amazon Basics and the Belkin CAT6 cable. Decided to give Belkin a try surely for its attractive price of 175 rupees 10 feet. To my sheer surprise, the quality of Belkin Snagless CAT6 cable turned out to be more than my expectation. The quality of the junctions and connectors is really good. The quality of cable flooding seems industry standard and the overall cable seems quite durable for the abuse a typical connect cable goes through in its lifespan. I am yet to test the cable for connections feed issues. I will update back here. With the experience so far, the cable looks like a steal deal. It is worth a purchase.